For 90 years, Eberspacher has specialized in developing thermal management solutions for mobile use. We are pioneers in this field. This goes for vehicles with combustion engines as well as for hybrid and electric vehicles. Our HVAC systems are highly developed and efficient solutions for climate-controlled vehicle interiors for combustion engine vehicles. In cold conditions, the HVAC system uses the waste heat from the combustion engine to heat the passenger compartment via a water heat exchanger. In hot outside temperatures, the air conditioning system is activated. An evaporator in the HVAC cools down the passenger cabin. The compressor in this AC circuit is powered by the combustion engine. The easiest way to adopt the HVAC system to an electric vehicle is to exchange the compressor with an electric compressor to cool the interior and use our electric high-voltage coolant heater Tetronic to get heat. Our electrical HVAC, also called eHVAC, simply transfers this proven system to the application in electric vehicles. The water heat exchanger of the HVAC is replaced by an electric PTC air heater. This is powered by the traction battery and heats the vehicle interior. The E-compressor of the cooling circuit is also supplied electrically via the traction battery. Ideal for vehicles with hybrid drive is our hybrid HVAC system, also called eHVAC. The air conditioning system will keep the cabin cool, similar to the eHVAC system. The heating system is as hybrid as the vehicle is powered. If the car is in combustion mode, the passenger compartment is heated via a water heat exchanger using the waste heat from the engine. In electric mode, the battery-powered PTC heating element is activated. The passenger compartment can therefore always be heated efficiently using precisely the energy resource that is available in the current operating mode. Another option for electric vehicles is our efficient heat pump system. The battery-powered air conditioning system can here be reversed for heating. The evaporator and condenser swap functions to heat the passenger cabin. We have developed an innovative and patented heat pump system with vehicle defrost option, allowing efficient defrosting and defogging without energy loss. Should it get really frosty outside, the all-electric PTC heater steps in to support. With the very efficient heat output through the heat pump technology, the systems save a lot of energy. Our systems air condition every vehicle interior, whether it's an electric, hybrid, or other drive system. But we don't stop there. With our thermal management system, we take a holistic approach to air conditioning technology in e-mobility as an all-in-one solution for vehicle interiors, battery, and motor. This means we can also control the temperature of the traction battery and/or the electric motor separately or particularly efficiently in combination with the cabin. In cold weather, the Tetronic electric high-voltage water heater preheats the battery to reach the best operating temperature. In operation, the waste heat from the battery and the electric motor can be transferred to the passenger compartment via a heat exchanger. If this is not sufficient, an electric PTC heater is also available here. When the outside temperature is hot, the same system cools the passenger compartment while cooling down the traction battery and the electric motor. We can provide you with a complete solution for cabin, battery, and engine motor thermal management in one system. This saves money, and by using all energy waste wisely, it saves energy. With this system, you can improve the overall vehicle performance. We are shaping a seamless transition into the future. All our air conditioning solutions for electric and hybrid vehicles have the same shape as the HVAC for combustion vehicles. This means they are as easy to replace as possible and can be used in all existing and future vehicles. Same, but different. No matter where the future of mobility takes us, Eberspacher is already there. Place your trust in thermal management solutions by Eberspacher.